What is drone? What is the function? Hi, I'm Suria Affandi, the COO of Meraque Group, and it's now part of my job to make agriculture succeed. It is known as 3D job: dirty, dangerous, and difficult job. Our role at Meraque is to bring technology transformations to the field. Drone tech is now a career. It should start from the younger age by instilling the interest and knowledge of children knowing. Meraque has allowed us to put the right expertise at the right place. We hope to take our drone tech solutions higher and further. Do you have innovative solutions to bring agriculture to the new heights? Meraque is your route to the next level.